Here at Lloyd Select Newcastle, we are delighted to introduce to you this silver Toyota Highlander Estate Hybrid. It has 20-inch grey alloy wheels and a silver roof rail, as well as a panoramic glass sunroof, and it has black leather upholstery, and the front two seats are heated and also have electric memory seats. The back seats have an armrest with cup holder, and this car even comes with a third row of seating. The rear seat windows have blinds, and it has a touchscreen centre console with a built-in navigation system. You get a very large amount of boot space when the third row seating is placed down, and you get a very convenient electric boot lid. All our cars are meticulously checked by our technicians, and they all come with a 12-month warranty. For more information regarding this vehicle, please contact us via our website or on 0191 269 0002.